What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG and your boy, me. Yeah, so haven't posted a long form video in a while because it has been very, very hot outside. It's not easy to do a video inside the car, outside the car when it's like plus 35, plus 36, when it's basically just as hot as the human body. I love the heat. I can acclimatize to anything, but when it is that hot, your brain just kind of goes and doesn't really want to do anything. So we've been posting a lot of shorts, obviously, as you guys probably saw. If you watch my shorts, you're amazing. Thank you. We are constantly posting as often as possible a daily short so that we can buy a 992 GT3 RS. Woo! It's gonna happen. It'll happen eventually. I think we're on like day 16 or whatever, something like that. And I don't know. It's probably gonna happen on day, I don't know, 365 or day 500. I don't know. Because if you really think about it, a 992 GT3 RS is like a $400,000 to $500,000 car, depending on the year, the make, the model, well, the mileage, well, not the make and model, it's a GT3 RS, duh, but which options it has, where you get it from, is it a clean title, is it not clean title, is it new, is it not new? That's a big Emirates plane, damn. So, and then if you really kind of crunch the math, depending on which one you get, how much down payment you put, it can be anywhere between $4,000 to $8,000 a month. So that's the thing. Yeah, let's go. So that's the thing. Is YouTube paying that much right now? Nope. Not even close. Not even close. But eventually, I'm gonna keep making videos and something will kind of whatever. Somebody's gonna like something and be like, oh, I like that video. And then I'm gonna get more views because whatever. Maybe I'm awesome, maybe I'm not. I don't know. It's not really up to me to be awesome. Well, it kind of is, but sometimes you might do like something that's not cool and people like it, and then it gets views. And then you might do something that's really cool, but nobody watches it. So the algorithm is weird. It's really weird. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you kind of have to just keep posting. If somebody doesn't like something, well, too bad. Just keep posting. If somebody likes something, just keep posting. Just keep going. It's kind of funny. I recently did a short and I was kind of holding my phone and some guy commented, oh, it's illegal to have your phone in your hand. Oh, I hope you get a ticket. I hope you go to jail. Oh, I'm exaggerating, but still. And I was kind of like, you know what? Great engagement. Thank you. Please leave more comments like that. That's I love those. I love those because it makes me go, huh, somebody actually took the time to sit down and be like, oh, this guy is on his phone. Well, by the way, this phone is on a mount, so I'm not even holding it. Here's my hands. So it's like somebody actually sat down and took a decent amount of their time to be like, this guy is doing something illegal. Oh, which is kind of funny to me because whatever. Like, it's not. Anyways, it's funny. It is so funny. So you guys keep making comments like that. Keep interacting, keep engaging, and whatever. Who cares? It's not even, again, sometimes you do it for yourself, sometimes you do it for others, and sometimes you don't even know what you're doing it for, but you're just doing it because you have to do it. So it really depends. And yeah, it's definitely an interesting situation. Damn, I just had somebody call me. Not interested. Scam. Go away. It's 9 a.m. We don't need no calls at 9 a.m. Unless you're calling to give $1 million. Well, not $1 million, 25 million. Ain't interested. So yeah, I'm gonna keep posting. We got a couple things coming. So for example, one of the things is that I gotta order a couple parts for the C63. Gotta get some control arms, 4 of them in the front. What else we gotta do? The front left driver side valve cover gasket we kind of have to do. We kind of have to do the rear main seal, but that involves taking the transmission out again, which I don't know if I'm kind of down to do that anytime soon. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't, I don't know. it's kind of one of those things where it's, you know, it should be done, but I don't know if I should do it. Somebody is literally having lunch over there and they are just blasting music and they're chilling. Because that's how life needs to be lived. You just need to live it up and enjoy it. And you could be having breakfast on a cafe and just blast music. That's how it has to be. But instead of blasting music, I'm making a video for you guys. So I am sacrificing my morning, my enjoyment, to do stuff for you. So if you're watching this, it's for you. I don't play Spotify in the morning. I don't play nothing. I play this video for you. But yeah, so we're gonna get a whole bunch of parts for the car, and then once I get everything, I think we'll probably do like the 4 control arms in one go. We also need to do the parking brake in the rear. It's kind of starting to make a little squeaking noise on very slow driving. It's not mandatory, but I should probably do it. And then the car needs an oil change. I am at 207,761 kilometers. Wow, almost 208,000 kilometers, guys. This car has been through it. It's been through it, but it still runs, which is crazy. Like, this engine is still very, very healthy at 207,000, almost 208,000. And honestly, I think the engine only really needs like a camshaft sprocket. From what I can kind of feel, it's starting to make a rattling noise again in the morning, but I guess we'll see what happens. If it eventually I see that it really needs it, then I'll get one, just quickly swap it over, and it should be fine. But yeah, this one's gonna be a little short one because I do have to go to Canada Post to figure out some stuff, because whenever you do business online and you sell stuff and you like do this and that, it becomes a headache with shipping and this and that, and it's the worst thing ever. But it's important, because if you don't do it, you don't become successful and make money. So you got to do it. So we're gonna head on over and do that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. That was just a quick little update. Hope you guys keep watching the shorts. Hope you guys keep watching these videos. We are like monetized, whatever you want to call it, but we're not fully monetized. I got like 350 watch hours left until we got 4,000 watch hours, and then yay, we're gonna make some more money from YouTube. Whatever. It's not just for that. Well, it is for that, but not just for that. You get what I mean. Everybody does it for that reason, but not for the same reason. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Keep watching. You're the best. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in the next one. Peace.